Drafting a statement of claim is just like two villagers reporting a matter before the king or the village head. Now, when a matter is brought before the king or the village head asks three important questions. The first important question is, who are you? Who are you? Now, the second question is, what happened? Then the third question is, what do you want me to do for you? I repeat, the first question is, who are you? The second question is, what happened? The third question is, what do you want me to do for you? Now, let's relate this to statement of claim. The first question, who are you, warrants the parties to introduce themselves. In statement of claim, it is called introductory averment and is drafted like this. Number one, the claimant is a medical doctor of number 26, Ajip Road, Port Harcourt. Number two, the defendant is a farmer of number 29, Rumukoro, Port Harcourt. That's introductory averment. Depending on the number of parties, introductory averment can get to 3, 4, or 5. Now, the second question, what happened? What happened leads the parties to introducing the fact. Now, in statement of claim, it's also called fact. You need to know something about the fact. After introductory averment, the next paragraph begins with brief statement of facts in chronological order. So from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are all facts in chronological order. Now, each paragraph must start with the phrase, the claimant avers that, the claimant avers that, the claimant avers that. So number 4, the claimant avers that, you state the remaining facts. Number 5, the claimant avers that. Number 6, the claimant avers that. Number 7, the claimant avers that. And the good thing is, these facts are provided for you all in the scenario. The fact is in the scenario. Just break down the facts according to the number of paragraph you want to draft. Always start with the phrase, the claimant avers that. And don't forget, the use of pronouns is not advisable in drafting the facts. So avoid using he, she, we. Now, the third question the village head asks is, what do you want me to do for you? Now, this points or leads the villagers to make a request before the king. In statement of claim, this third part is called relief sought. And it begins with a preamble. Now, the claimant claims as follows. Now, the claimant claims as follows. And you state all the relief sought, right? The sum of 2 million naira for reinstating the damaged car, the sum of 500,000 naira as hospital bills spent, and all other relief, depending on the scenario you're given. So the three main parts of the body is the introductory averment, introduce the parties, the facts in chronological order, begin with the claimant avers that, and number 3, relief sought, right? Then you end with date, dated is dash of dash, 2025 or 6, depending on the year, and franking, that's signature of the counsel, his address, office, and all that. Then the next is address for service on the defendant, and you put the particulars or address of the defendant. Now, don't forget the heading of court, depending on the court you are asked to draft. Take note of that and put this into practice. The more you practice, the more you get better. To see me again, you know what to do.